Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. So guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about two soaps, which are the Retin A soap and the Kojie San soap. I'm going to be sharing with you guys so many things you need to know about this soap, the pros and the cons, and also other information you need to know about these soaps. Okay, but before we start this video, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, what are you waiting for? Okay, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and also leave your comments. And without further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the soap I'm going to be talking about, like I said, is the Retin A soap and the Kojie San soap. I know these soaps are popular soaps and you guys have been seeing it in the market, seeing it online, and you guys want to know more things about the soap. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys things about the soaps that you need to know. Okay, so when it comes to the Kojie San soap, yes, I'm going to be talking about the Kojie San soap first. So now when it comes to this soap, this soap is actually a very good soap. It's from the name you know that it contains kojic acid, and the main ingredient used in making this soap is kojic acid. Now another thing again I need to know about this soap is that this soap is good for people who are suffering from dark spots, melasma, hyperpigmentation, those who have uneven skin tone, and those who want to brighten out their skin, brighten out dark parts, or rather dark areas in their skin. This soap is good. This soap is not a bleaching soap. Okay, so people that are thinking that it's a bleaching soap, you want you to go and bleach your skin, it is not a bleaching soap, it is a brightening soap. Okay, and another thing again I need to know about this soap is that, alright, I'll start with the pros. The pros of this soap is good for brightening out the skin. It helps to even out uneven skin tone. It helps to brighten out dark spots, acne scars, melasma, hyperpigmentation, sunburn. That is what it does. Okay, and you start seeing effects in a week or two. Yes, you start seeing effects in a week or two from this soap. So this soap is also an exfoliant. It's going to help to also exfoliate your skin. It's also going to help to exfoliate your skin. Yes, so it's also an exfoliant. Now when it comes to the cons of these soaps, guys, this particular soap, it's drying. So if you're someone with a dry skin, you need to be careful when using the soap. And this soap can also be irritating on the skin. So if you are sensitive, you have a sensitive skin, you also need to be careful when using the soap as well. As much as this soap will help to brighten out dark areas on your skin, you also need to be very careful when using the soap. And for me, who even has an oily skin, this soap dries my skin out, like when using it. Now how you use the soap is, how to get the best effects when using the soap is, after using the soap, go in with your moisturizer immediately. Do not use any active again, because kojic acid is already an active. So now using another active after using the soap could even harm your skin. So after using the soap, just go in with your moisturizer, and while using the soap, just apply to those areas where you have your dark spots, or rather those dark areas. If you're trying to get rid of your uneven skin tone, or your acne, or your dark spots, just apply it where you have those skin issues. Leave it on your skin for maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes, then wash it off. Okay, but if you have a dry skin, I would advise that you can leave it on your skin for maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes is still fine. But people who have an oily skin can leave it up to 5 minutes, maybe 3 to 5 minutes on their skin. That is equally fine as well. Okay, so you need to be very careful when using this soap. And another thing again that you need to understand is when you use the soap just 2 times or 3 times in a week. For people who have dry skin, I advise I use the soap once in a week. And for people who have sensitive skin, I would advise I use the soap once in a week as well. But for people who have dry skin, oily skin like me, and acne prone skin, I would advise I use the soap maybe 2 times to 3 times in a week. Okay, and that's fine. And use the soap at night. Do not use it in the daytime to get the best effect, or rather best result of the soap. Do not use it in the daytime. Use it only at night. Use it only at night, because you don't want to harm your skin, because kojic acid is really pretty much sensitive to the sun, so you will not want to harm your skin the more. Okay, so use it only at night. Okay, and another thing again that you need to know is that this soap is also an exfoliant. So as you're using the soap, you're also exfoliating your skin, so you don't need to go in with any other exfoliating ingredient or any other exfoliant or any other scrub. Once you use it on your body, that's fine, and it works pretty much well on the body than the face. I have seen so many people complain about how the soap caused them to have uneven skin tone on their face, maybe because they were actually using it all over their face. Like I said, use it in only those areas where you have that skin issue, not use it all over your face. Okay, this soap, getting the origin of this soap can be very difficult, so I advise that you need to be very careful when getting this soap, because the fake of this soap is rampant out there. Like, this soap has lots and lots and lots of fake out there, so you need to be very careful when getting this soap, because the fakes of this soap are rampant. So you need to get this soap from a trusted store, or they even have stores online where you can get the original soap. You can try Buy Better, you can try Thicker for Skin. These are pages, or rather Instagram stores, where they sell the original of this soap, and this soap goes for the price of 3,500 to 4,000 naira. The last time I got this soap, it was 3,500 naira. I don't know about now, but it goes for the price of 3,500 to 4,000 naira. And guys, the next soap on my list, the second soap, is the Retin A soap. I don't have a picture of I don't have the soap physically here, but I'm going to leave a picture of the soap on the screen for you guys to see. Now, when it comes to this soap, from the name Retin A, you will know that this soap is derived from retinoid, or rather is a retinoid derivative. It's a derivative of retinoid, yeah. And you know that it's in the family of retinol, tretinoin, and the rest. So this soap contains some percentages of tretinoin. I'm not really sure the percentage of tretinoin that this soap contains, but I know it contains some percentages of tretinoin, but they're not so much. Okay, they're not so much. So, and this soap, the price of this soap is that it's really good for acne. So if you have acne, this soap is good for you, because this soap is a treatment soap. It is not a regular bathing soap. It is a treatment soap. So it's a treatment soap. It's good for acne, it's good for dark spots. It also helps with fine lines and wrinkles, and it also helps to brighten out the skin as well. So the cons of this soap is that this soap will purge your skin, yes, meaning that, because if you're very conversant with retinol, you know that retinol purges the skin, yeah, so it can multiply your acne, but at the beginning, but later on, it's going to help to fade out the acne. As much as it's multiplying it, it's also going to fade out your acne as well. This soap is also an exfoliant. It's also going to help to exfoliate your skin as well. Okay, and that con of this soap is that this soap can also be really sensitive can be irritating to people who have sensitive skin. Yeah, so if you have a sensitive skin, this soap can also irritate your skin as well. Okay, now what you need to know about how to get the best effects from using this soap is you just apply the soap only in those areas where you have the skin issue, the skin concern, the acne, the body acne, or wherever you have acne, whether on your body or your face. Just apply it in those areas, okay, and leave it on your skin for maybe 3 to 5 minutes, then wash it off. This soap is not drying. I don't think I've seen anyone say that this soap is drying, unlike the Kojie San that is actually really drying. And this soap is also an exfoliant, so understand that when using this soap, you're also making use of an exfoliant, so you don't need to exfoliate your skin again. And when using this soap, you don't need to go in with another active, because retinol is already an active on its own. In fact, Kojie San and retinol are actives, so you don't need to go in with any other active again. Just go into your moisturizer. Okay, just go with your moisturizer after using the soap, and this soap will purge your skin. I trust me, it's going to purge your skin if you have acne. So after 1 week, between the first week and second week of using the soap, you're going to notice that your acne is multiplying, is becoming more, but that is the skin purging. But give it after those weeks, your skin will start, you're going to start seeing those acne fading. But if the purging continues to up to a month, then I want you to understand that this soap, that means your skin is actually not taking the soap. That means this soap is not good for your skin, so you need to stop using it. Okay, if the purging extends towards a month, then you need to stop using it totally. Okay, that means your skin is not really taking the soap in. And I would advise that in using the Kojie San and also the Retin A soap, you need to perform a skin patch test first, especially for people who have a sensitive skin. So if you have a sensitive skin, you need to perform a skin patch test first, okay, if you have a sensitive skin, because you don't want to go in with the soap that will end up harming your skin, okay. And this particular Retin A soap is good for all skin types. It doesn't dry out the skin, but if you have a sensitive skin, like I said, you need to perform a skin patch test first. And this soap is actually quite affordable as well. It goes between the price of 3,000 naira to 4,000 naira. But I've seen two types of this soap. I've seen the one with the 24k, and I've also seen the one without the 24k. The thing is, I don't know which one is original amongst the two, but the one I know that people always talk about is the one with the 24k. I don't know if the one without the 24k is the one that has a lesser effect, or the fake. But I'll advise that you're going with the one with the 24k, okay? You're going with the one with the 24k in it. So guys, that is all. Right, this is all for my video. Let me know in the comment section if you have questions, or if you have any other video that you want me to make for you. Just let me know on the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So till then, bye.